With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we are asked to differentiate between acquired and the inherited traits, right? So we discuss about the differences between the acquired traits, right, and the inherited traits, right? So as the name suggests, acquired and inherited, what do we understand is that acquired are those traits that a person, right, that a person basically develops, right, a person develops during his lifetime, right, during his lifetime in response to the environment, right, in response to the environment. As per the environmental needs, these traits have been developed in an individual, right? Hence they do not pass from one generation to the next, right? They do not pass, right, they do not pass from one generation, right, from one generation to the next, right, to the next. And they do not involve the, right, they neither involve, right, they neither involve the flow of genetic material, right, flow of genetic material from one generation to another. That is, they basically are not, these are not inherited, right, they do not pass on from one generation to the next. On the other hand, if we talk about the inherited traits, so these are the ones that are passed from, right, these are basically present in the person, right, since time of the birth, right, they are present the person since the time of his birth, right, and they basically pass on from one generation, right, from one generation to the next generation, and they involve the flow of genes or the genetic material from one generation to another, right? So if we talk about these traits, right, so these are the traits that an individual acquire during their lifetime. That's the acquired traits, right? And it is not that if the parents have those, one of the parent have those trait, right, it is not that it will so sure pass on to the next generation, right, to their progeny, right, because they are not involved, they, the genes, right, the traits, these traits are not coded by any sort of gene, right? So it, as it is not coded by the gene, so we know that genes pass on from parent to offspring, right? So they will not be, it's not that they will be also seen in the progeny, right? Or there are some of the characters that parents do not have, but the child will acquire those traits, right? So one of the example is swimming, right? Like if supposedly parents knows how to swim, right, so that is the trait that they have acquired in their lifetime, right? But the, it is not that progeny will also be knowing how to swim, right? The, if the progeny will be able to swim, so the progeny will acquire this trait over lifetime, right, during his lifetime, right? So this is the example of acquired trait. Now if we talk about the inherited trait, so such as the eye color, hair color, right, height, so all this we get from our parents. So these are the traits that are inherited from parents to the progeny, right? So this is the difference between acquired trait and the inherited trait, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.